Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to do the text thing on CapCut. Here are the steps to add and edit text in CapCut. First, open CapCut app on your mobile device, then go to Edit. Here, go ahead and tap the New Project button to create a new video. Select a video or image from your gallery and tap on Add. On the timeline, move the playhead to choose the time where you want to add the text. So for example, I will add the text from the beginning. Tap Text in the toolbar at the bottom. Tap Add Text. Type your desired message in the text box. Use the options below to customize the fonts, color, and size. On Style again, go to Adjust Stroke, Shadow, and Background if needed. Drag and resize the text on the preview screen to position it. Then hit the check mark. Set the duration of the text on the timeline by dragging those edges. Tap the HD option from the top to set your preferred resolution, frame rate, etc. Then export in the top right of your video if ready. Tip: you can also animate your text using the Animation tab and the text menu for dynamic effects like fade, pop up, or bounce. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.